What's up guys, how you doing there? This is your boy Kenny and we're going to be talking about food photography. And what kind of photography are we talking about? We're talking about cake photography. Somebody on Facebook messaged me and told me that they wanted to learn how to take good photography with their cake designs and stuff like that. So they can show off to their clients and stuff like that. And what better way to learn how to do cake photography? I'm going to be using the DSLR and we're going to be using my phone and we're going to be switching up and we're going to see how we can compare the two, whatnot, and see if we can get the same image. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, I don't have a cake. I have to get one. 1 second.
20 minutes later.
What's up guys, how you doing there? I'm here at the store right now and I'm looking for like ideas on how to go ahead and take a picture with the cake and everything like that. I'm trying to get good ideas of like what I want to shoot and stuff like that. So I have like a couple of cake decorations and stuff like that for like a happy birthday theme and everything like that. I'm going to try to do my best to take a picture. So stay tuned. What's up? Now we're back and everything like that, and now we have our cake and everything like that. Let's go ahead and set up the shot. So guys, what did we learn here and whatnot? So I tried to go ahead and shoot a good photography cake and everything like that. I had the cake sitting on a wooden type of environment, whatnot. I tried to sprinkle around confetti and everything like that to give it that birthday-like feel, whatnot. And you know, trying to add little spices and stuff like that, give it that birthday feel and everything like that. People want to go ahead and see the product as if it was like actually there, whatnot. They want to see the product in use, whatnot. So that's what I was trying to convey when I was out there trying to do the photography and everything like that. So work with your camera and everything like that. Try to get the best lighting and everything like that. For me, I use the external flash and everything to go ahead and take pictures of the cake and everything. I tried to cut a piece of layer of the cake out and put the cake inside, like, you know, in the realms of it, and get that shallow depth feel, whatnot, with the bigger cake, with a slice of cake out, whatnot. Those are some of the steps I was trying to do and try to capture everything like that. So take some of these tips and everything like that, and tell me what you like to know next, whatnot. Tell me what you like to learn and everything like that. Comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my video on YouTube and everything like that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.